Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Learn English PK. You will get interesting learning material on my channel, so first of all subscribe it. Okay, today we are going to learn about direct and indirect narration. First of all, let's have a look on that what is narration. Narration is an act or process of telling something. Okay, there are two ways of narrating a person's speech. First is direct speech and another method is indirect speech. Now let's see that what is direct speech. In direct speech and narration, the actual word of the speaker is repeated. When we talk about the direct narration, it is actually the repetition of the actual words spoken by the speaker, and we do not change any word of the speaker and we narrate those words. We repeat those words when we talk about that particular person. For example, Zain says, I speak the truth. This is the example of direct speech. Here you can see that Zain, he spoke, I speak the truth, and when the speaker's words are being repeated as it is without making any changes, it is called direct speech. There are two parts of direct speech. First part is Zain says and the second part is I speak the truth, and these two parts are called reporting speech and reported speech. Now what is reporting speech? Reporting speech is a group of words written out of inverted commas, and reported speech are the group of words written in inverted commas. These are the actual words said by the speaker. Now here are some examples. Look at them. First example is Zain says, I speak the truth. Right? This is the example of direct speech, and this sentence has two parts. First is Zain says, and it is called reporting speech. The second part is I speak the truth, and it is called reported speech. Another example is the teacher said, knowledge is power, and here in this sentence the teacher said is reporting speech and knowledge is power is reported speech. Now let's have a look on indirect speech. What is indirect speech? Indirect speech or narration is the way of narrating the substance of speaker's speech. In this method, we report the idea indirectly without quoting the actual words of the speaker. Right? Actually, we do not repeat the actual words of the speaker, and we convey the idea indirectly. We make some changes. For example, Zain says, I speak the truth is the example of direct speech, and when we will convey the idea of Zain's speech to another person, we will say that Zain says that he speaks the truth. Here you can see that we have made some changes. We removed commas and we added that, and we actually replaced the pronoun I with he. Right? So we can say that we have actually taken the substance of speaker's speech and we convey his ideas to another person while making some changes. Some other examples of direct and indirect narration is he said, I am hungry. This is direct speech, and he said that he was hungry. This is the example of indirect speech. You can see that we have made some changes in this sentence. Then he says I am ill. This is the direct speech, and we have changed it into he says that he is ill. Okay, here you can see another example. You say I am a good player. You say that you are a good player. This is the example of indirect speech. I hope that you have learned direct and indirect narration successfully. I'll ask you to subscribe Learn English PK and click the bell icon to get notification of new videos. Thank you so much.